Good morning, students. We are to the poetry section and the poem is entitled Money. A very good word. Everybody likes this word. So let's see what a Welsh poet whose name is Davies, William Davies, he says in this poem. Before that, we shall see the icebreakers. So open your books, page number 121. Have a look at the first question. Discuss in the class about importance of money. So you see, money is very important. Now why is money so important? What are the reasons behind the importance we attach to money? First is given. See, read it. Money is used as capital for business. So, as capital in any business, we need money. Okay. Why do you want money for which things? Try to think. पैसा सर्वस्व नाही, पण पैशाशिवाय काहीच होत नाही. So why do we need money? We need money for food. Okay, we need money for buying clothes. If we want to build a house, then also we need money. Means for many things. House, for medicines, for buying furniture, yes, for buying books, for buying notebooks. Then you need money for paying fees. Is it okay? Yes, you have to pay the bills. Electricity bill, water bill. You have to pay money for your mobile data also. So for so many things we need money. The second question is, we have to complete a web which is given in the book on the same page, that is page number 121. And what is the central point around which the web revolves? Money spent judiciously. This is the second activity in the icebreaker. Money spent judiciously. Now these two words here now. What is the meaning of judiciously? Judiciously means thoughtfully. विवेकाने, सुज्ञपणे. In proper way. Even you can say wisely. So 4 points are expected from you. I'll give you 2. You think of remaining. First is given. Donation for poor and needy. That is given. So, see. If we buy something for ourselves, that is our need. We are not talking about that. Judiciously spent money. आपण आपल्यासाठी खर्च केलेला पैसा याच्याबद्दल इथे आपण नाही बोलत आहे. We have seen about it in the first question. Why do we need money? This is the second, that which money is spent judiciously. For example, suppose you send donation to Baba Amte's Anandvan. That is the money which is spent judiciously. So you can say donating to a good institution which is working for the poor people or the weak people or the handicapped people or the diseased people, such a donations. What can be other example? Can you suppose there is your friend and you pay the fees. Paying fees for a clever but poor friend. That is also the money which is spent judiciously. Think of the third option. and think of the fourth also. You can easily. I give you idea. See, music, crafts. For example, there are some hatmag cinches, means hand woven cloth. Suppose you go there and buy something. That is also the money which is used judiciously, because there are the craftsmen who are trying to preserve the old Indian art of weaving clothes. So think of such things. I move to the third question. Make a list of some good qualities of your friend. Very easy question. Which good qualities do you find in your friend? This is the third. Very easy question. Honesty. Your friend is honest. Good quality. Then, which other things you can say? Simple living, but high thinking. This can be a quality. He is positive attitude. He has a positive attitude. This positivity. Then he is very good tempered. He never gets angry. He is cool with all. You can have a long list of these good qualities, which is the third question. Now question number 4. Here you have to share your views on money is the root of all evils. So see, the friends are like this. Many good qualities are there, and it is expected here that if he has so many good qualities, then they will help him to earn money. If he doesn't have money, others will also help him. Do you lend money is the next question. Lend money. To lend means to give for some time. उसने देणे पैसे. The opposite word is to borrow. Borrow means to take money from someone and pay him back later. Lend means give. So, do you lend money to your friend? Now, two possibilities are there. You may say yes, you may say no. Suppose the answer is yes. प्रश्न काय आहे? तुम्ही तुमच्या मित्राला पैसे उसने देता का? If the answer is yes, when do you give? See, we have just seen the qualities of the friend. That icebreaker is related to this one also. So, we lend money to a friend sometimes because he is clever, but he is poor and he has no money to pay the fees, exam fees. Then you lend money. Suppose he wants medical help. He urgently needs to go to the doctor, but he doesn't have money, so you help him. Sometimes his father or mother dies. Then also, if father dies and mother is the only working person in the home, then also you help the friend. So this is when sometimes you give money to your friend, lend money to your friend. Now, sometimes a friend says, will you give me 500 rupees? And you say, no, I'm sorry, I can't give. Why do you refuse to help the friend? What can be the reasons? Maybe your friend is not good natured. You can say he has bad habits. वाईट सवयी आहे त्याला. मग तुम्ही पैसे उसने देणार का? No. He may waste it in gambling or on mobile or many other things. Then he has already taken money from you. then also you help him once, twice. But if he asks third time, then you say no. So these are the reasons. One reason is he may not return your money. Then also you say no. So these are the icebreakers, and now we move to the poem itself.